Croeso nôl ato ni te ar gyfer Pencampwriaeth, y teirw ifanc. Mi oedd ysi ar led, falle bydde'r is-Pencampwyr yn dod fewn hefyd i'r dosbarth yma, ond falle ddôn nhw nawr ar ôl dewis Pencampwr, Aled yn dyfeled, Roberts o Geirwen sydd yma, ond dyma pwy sydd yn y ras te, y tarw Henffordd a'r tarw Charolais. A mae fel bod hanes yn ailadrodd I hunain yma eleni eto fel llynedd yn dyfeled.
Ond yndi tad.
Yr Henffordd ddoth i'r brig llynedd yma, gyda'r Charolais yn cipio'r gil wobr, ond dau darw ifanc, werth I gweld, mae rhaid gweud. A ble wyt ti'n meddwl mae hon yn mynd?
Wel, I mi mae pŵar yn dreifio'r Charolais ymlaen. Ond wedi dweud hynny, I darw cynhenid yr Henffordd, mae'n darw da ofnadwy, tarw cywir.
Wissington Olaf ydy'r tarw Charolais, dyna I enw e. Yn eiddo'r teulu Rix. A mae'r tarw Henffordd na'n edrych yn ardderchog. Mae'n rhywbeth am yr Henffordd pan wyt ti'n gweld nhw fan hyn yn erbyn gwyrddni'r porfa. Mae'n edrych yn ardderchog yn dwi. Ac James Barber nawr te am weid gair neu ddau dwi'n meddwl, felly dewch I ni ddistewi am eiliad hyd yn oed I wrando ar ei sylwadau fi.
I'd like to thank the Royal Show for giving me the honour of judging this competition. I've had a wonderful week down here. We've seen some great cattle, we've seen some great crowds. The exhibitors turned the cattle out superbly. A few of these cattle have come out this morning a little bit tired, not surprisingly, with the heat. I think maybe some of the leaders were a bit tired as well, but there's another subject. So, I have here in front of me my continental champion and my native champion. Both extremely good cattle of the breeds. So few faults in them. But my champion today is a Charolais bull. For the size and carcass of this bull, he moves superbly. He really does flow. He's a very correct bull. His length, he's got depth, he's got top in him. And he really is a fine example of the breed. My reserve here, this Hereford bull, a real bull of the future. Loads to go for him. I'd like him to just rib down a little bit more, and he will as he develops, which is why the Charolais is above him. But two superb specimens of their own breed. Thank you very much, and thank you again for the Royal Welsh.
Thank you, Mr. Barber.
Dyna ni te i'ch atgoffa chi y penderfyniad wedi I wneud y tarw Charolais Wissington Olaf wedi cipio Pencampwriaeth y teirw ifanc i'r bridiau cyfandirol a cynhenid. Wrth gwrs, tipyn o gystadleuaeth, mae rai gweud da. Blwyddyn y Charolais oedd I lenni wahanol I llynedd Aled Roberts.
Hollol fel arall rownd I gymeriad yna, ond dwi'n gweld yn union pan mae'n mynd amdano y Charolais hefyd.
A fel sonies di, pwer y Charolais yn cario yn y diwedd? Oedd e'n gweud falle y bydde fe wedi lwco bach fwy o ddyfnder yn dweud yn y tarw Henffordd, ond yn nodi y daw hynny wrth i'r tarw dyfu a datblygu yn dyfe?
Daw.
Ond cystadleuaeth a Pencampwriaeth gystadleuol tu hwnt. Wedi mwynhau yn arw Aled, beth amdano ti?
Do, wedi mwynhau, do.
Wel, diolch yn fawr iawn I ti am dy gwmni.
Diolch I chi.
Mae'r haul yn gwenu'n braf yna wrth I ni weld Wissington Olaf o eiddo teulu Rix yn cael ei goroni yn Pencampwr y teirw ifanc. A mwy o gystadlu I ddod yn y man o gylch y gwartheg. Well, llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Darren, I believe, yes, Darren Knox?
Yes, thank you very much.
Showing on behalf of the Rix family?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
What's the story with the bull? Where's he come from?
He's come from Colchester in Essex, and he has been the Highland, Yorkshire, male champion at all. So very pleased to.
He's having a tremendous season. Yeah. What's so special about him?
Well, it's just his length and his power for his age.
How old is he?
He's 18 months.
Only 18 months?
Yeah.
A tremendous example of the breed, isn't he?
Yeah.
What next for him now?
Hopefully Sterling bull sales in October.
And a good price.
And a good price. That's the main thing.
Well, he is a tremendous example of the breed and so powerful. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations once again.
Thank you very much.
And thanks for coming to see us here at the Royal Welsh.
No problem. Thank you.